Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at CVS for the sales week of January 3rd through January 9th. It is Thursday, so I'm a little bit late. If you did watch my Publix or Walmart video, I did mention that I was on vacation, so I didn't get home until Monday night. I didn't get my coupons until Tuesday night, and then Wednesday I did my Publix haul and my Walmart haul yesterday, so today was the day for me to do CVS. So I'm going to show you the deals that I got. I did have some issues at the register. My cashier was really nice and did print the extra care bucks for me for the CRTs that were attached to my card and didn't come off at the register. So I'm going to show you the deals and tell you how I got all of this stuff for just $3. So in my first transaction, I did the Elvive, the Dove, the Tresemme, the Orange Baby Wipes, the Eucerin U by Kotex, the deodorant deal, and then the Clairol. Whatever deals I did repeat, I'll just skim through. My first transaction this week, the L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 internet printable coupon that I printed from coupons.com, and then I had a 3 off of 2 digital that was attached to my card that glitched and came off. We also had a 3 off of 2 instant coupon that printed for everybody at the Red Box this week. So after all of those coupons came off, I expected the instant coupon to drop down to 2, and I would have paid 0 for the L'Oreal Elvive. My $3 off of 2 wasn't scanned, and I didn't realize till I got into my car. So when I went back inside the store to fix my issues, she did give me back that CRT. I don't think there's a special on it next week, so that was just a loss on my end. So on the Dove this week, they are 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care buck. I picked up the 2 for $8. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon from the January 3rd Retail Me Not, and then I had a $2 off of Dove shampoo or conditioner CRT, so it took off a total of $5 and brought the total down for the 2 Dove to $3, and I got the $2 extra care buck. On the Tresemme this week, they are priced at 2 for $9. I used a $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that I got on the January 3rd Retail Me Not. And I didn't have any CRTs for the Tresemme. I did pair all the Haircare together because I did have Haircare CRTs. Hair all this week aren't giving anything back, but the Root Touch Up is 2 for $15. So I picked up 2 for the $15. I had a $5 off of 2 Clairol CRT and a $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came in the January 3rd Smart Source. So that took off $10 and brought my total down to $5. So the total for the Elvive, the Dove, the Tresemme, and the Clairol was $40 exactly. So I paired in, along with those other manufacturer coupons and CRTs, I used a $4 off of 18 Haircare CRT and a $4 off of 20 Haircare CRT. So from the 40, including the Haircare CRTs, it took off $35. I was left to pay $5 for all 8 items, and I got back the $4 extra care buck, 2 for the Tresemme and 2 for the Dove. I do want to say that one of my, I believe it was the 4 off of 18 did not come off at the register by itself, but my cashier did print me off an extra care buck for that not coming off. On the Axe and the Dove, this week's select deodorants are buy 2, get a $2 extra care buck, buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I picked up the Axe for $6.29, and then I picked up the Suave half off at $1.09. That brought my total to $7.38. I had a $2 off of Axe deodorant or deodorant spray CRT. I had a $2 off manufacturer digital coupon, and then for the Suave, I had a $1 off manufacturer coupon. So from $7.38, I had $5 in coupons. That left me to pay $2.38. I got back the $2 extra care buck, making the final cost 38 cents or 19 cents each. On the Eucerin, both of these are priced at $12.99 in my store. I would have done like a $9.59 and a $12.99, but my store was all out of the cheaper bottles. So both of these cost me $25.98. I had a $4 off of 20 hand and body lotion CRT. I had a $2 off of 6 Eucerin hand and body lotion CRT, and then I used a $3 off of 1 manufacturer coupon for each one from the January 3rd Retail Me Not. That took off $12 from my $25.98, left me to pay $13.98, and I got back a $10 extra care buck, making the final cost $3.98 or $1.99 each. Not the greatest price, but it does count towards beauty, and I was trying to build my beauty bucks up so I can get all the wipes you see back there for super low out of pocket. Next deal is the U by Kotex. This week, certain products are 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care buck. I should have picked up the tampons because there is a rebate on Ibotta right now. I believe it's $2 back for each one. It would have made them a moneymaker, but I didn't see it until after I picked these up. So the U by Kotex, I picked up 2 for $8, and then I picked up one of these liners for $1.79 because I had a 3 off of 3 tampon pad CRT. So all 3 of them brought me to $9.79. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, and then I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that glitched and came off, along with that 3 off of 3 CRT. Took off $9, left me to pay 79 cents. I got back the $2 extra care buck, making it free, and a $1.21 moneymaker. Now for the baby wipes. This week it is spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck on the CVS Health brand baby items, or I believe it's called Live Better. So I picked up 2 of the 3 packs. They were priced at $6.99 each, and then I picked up one of these small ones, and this was priced at $1.39. So all 3 packs brought me to $15.37. I had a $5 off of 15 Health brand baby CRT that left me to pay $10.37. I got back the $5 extra care buck. I made the final cost only $5.37, or $1.79 each. So that was everything for the first transaction here. The Clairol up the top, they were 2 for $15. The U by Kotex were 2 for $8. The Elvive and the Elvive were 2 for $8. The Dove, 2 for $8. Tresemme, 2 for $9. The Axe was $6.29, and then the Suave was half off at $109. Here are the CVS baby wipes. This is the 20 count for $139, and then the 3 packs for $6.99. Eucerin were both $12.99 each, and then the Kotex liners was $179. So these are all of my manufacturer coupons. All of them went through just fine. The digital that didn't come off was the $2 Axe digital that I had showed you in the video. And then the 4 off of 20 Haircare CRT didn't come off, and the 3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive did not come off. So a total of $8. I rolled into this transaction $32 in extra care bucks. My math was correct. If everything would have came off, it would have been 8 cents, but it didn't, so my total was $8.08. I used a Fetch Rewards gift card and paid the rest change out of pocket. I had a total savings of $103, 93%, and then I got back $2 for the Dove, $2 for the Tresemme, $2 for the deodorants, this is $2 for the U by Kotex. This is $2 for the deodorant. This is $5 for the baby wipes, and $10 for the Eucerin, for a total of $23 back. And then I also got back, and then my cashier was nice enough to print me $6 in extra care bucks. It was $2 for the Axe digital and $4 for the 4 off of 20 Haircare CRT. She did not give me back the $2 for the L'Oreal Elvive because she did give me back the CRT since it wasn't scanned at all. So first transaction, my subtotal with the extra care bucks that I used was $40.08. I got back $23 plus the $6 that she gave me back was a total of $29. Beauty, I spent $65.98 between the hair care, the hair color, the shampoo, and the Eucerin. So I will get back a $6 beauty buck within 24 hours. So that gave me back $35 total. Made my final cost for all of these items in my first transaction $5.08. And then so on my second transaction, I picked up 3 of the wipes. The U by Kotex and the Haircare are all repeat deals. And then I picked up this Revlon Blush, which I'll go over this first. $12.49 in my store. I used a $4 off of 1 internet printable coupon that I printed from coupons.com, and then I used a $4 off Revlon instant coupon that printed for everybody this week at the Red Box. That took off $8, left me to pay $4.49. I got back $4, making the final cost of this blush just 49 cents. On the baby wipes, this one is different, so I'll go ahead and explain it to you guys. They are priced at $6.99 this week. Again, spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. 3 of them brought me to $20.97. I had a $7 off of 20 CVS Health brand baby care CRT, and then I had a $3 off Live Better baby product CRT. So that took off $10, left me to pay $10.97. I got back the $5 extra care buck, making the final cost $5.97 or $1.99 each. U by Kotex is same as I explained in the first scenario, 2 for $8 and $1.79. I had the 3 off of 2 manufacturer, the 3 off of 2 digital glitched and came off, and then I had another 3 off of 3 tampon or pads CRT that left me to pay 79 cents. I got back $2 in extra care bucks, making it a $1.21 moneymaker. The hair care deal is a little different because I didn't pay in the Clairol. The Elvive was 2 for $8. I had the 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then the 3 off of 2 instant coupon from the red box machine. That one did come off in this transaction. Instant coupon dropped down to $2 and it made these free. Tresemme were 2 for $9. I had a $4 manufacturer coupon, dropped that down to $5 for both. And then the Dove are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 extra care buck. I had a $2 off Dove shampoo or conditioner CRT, a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that glitched and came off with the $3 off of 2 manufacturer paper coupon, so that made those completely free also. So all of these products brought me to $25. I used a 4 off of 18 CRT, and then the $20 in coupons and CRTs dropped all 6 items down to $1. I got back 2 for the Tresemme, 2 for the Dove, and then Shopkick is offering back 250 kicks or $1, making the final cost of these a $4 moneymaker. So that was everything in the second transaction. Sorry if I spoke really fast, I feel like I did, but I was just going through because I explained for the most part everything in the first transaction. So the U by Kotex, again, 2 for $8, Elvive 2 for $8, Dove 2 for $8, Tresemme 2 for $9. All of the baby wipes rang up at $6.99 each. Revlon is $12.49, and then the Kotex liners was $1.79. I think everything came off as planned in this one. I don't know why my math is off. So all of my manufacturer coupons, all of my digital coupons came off. Here is a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive that dropped down to $2. I think the only thing that was different was that my $2 Dove CRT dropped from $2 to $1.12. Maybe it's because all of them were free, but I don't really know why, to be honest. So I rolled 4, 7, 10, 13, $16 in extra care bucks with my subtotal of $213. I paid that on a Fetch Rewards gift card, so nothing out of pocket. I had a $76.64 savings, 97%. And then I got back 2 for the Tresemme, 2 for the Dove, 2 for the U by Kotex, 4 for the Revlon, 5 for the white. So $15 back, which is a loss of 1, but let's factor in the beauty. So $213 subtotal with the $16 that I used brought my total to $18.13. I got back $15 in extra care bucks. In beauty, I spent $37.49 between the Haircare and the Revlon. So that will get me a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours. So minus the $15 that I got back, the $3 beauty buck, everything in the second transaction cost me 13 cents. So final cost for everything. First transaction was $5.08, second transaction was 13 cents. That brought me to $5.21. On Shopkick, like I mentioned, I got back $1 for the Tresemme, and then they are offering back $1 back on each Dove up to a limit of 5. I did claim 2 on 1 receipt, but it only picked up 1 and it only gave me back $1.10 instead of $2.10. So my final cost for everything was $3.11 for all 31 items. So that does bring me to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I did want to try to make my way back tomorrow. I don't think I will post that, but I also might stop back at Publix. So if I stop at a few stores and just grab a couple items, I might just put all of the things that I got from different stores into one video. I didn't really get to go through my CRTs today, but some of them were expiring that I sent to my card last week, and I really wanted to go get all of these wipes because, like I mentioned in all my videos, I pick up a lot of baby items because I do have a baby. She's about to be 10 months, and stocking up on these items really helps to not ever have to actually pay for them full price out of pocket. So it does bring me to the end of this video, like I mentioned. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.